Hello viewers, today we are showing you how to decorate your donuts. Earlier on we made the donuts. If you missed this, you can watch part A of making how to make the donuts. Let's start. So using a serrated knife, we'll cut through. Now here I'm using fresh cream, which I whipped earlier. So you can use buttercream. So here I've got melted chocolate. I'm just drizzling to make them more appetizing. This is white chocolate. And on these I'll sprinkle some crushed cookies. I think that looks nice. If you've got sprinkles, kids love sprinkles, you can use sprinkles. So for these I'm using, for the ring donuts, I'm using sugar, granulated sugar, and cinnamon powder. So when it's mixed like this, I'll just dip my donuts. Just like that. There we have our cinnamon donuts. Thanks for watching.